It was the snowstorm of 2007. Are we crossing the street?
Yeah, eventually.
Oh, I didn't know that it would stop that whole time. Ow! It's just relentless.
It's so cold. I can't even hold the camera straight.
Look at that acting.
Swang Tang. What a shitty restaurant. No, it's nice.
Look at that lobster though.
Nice accommodations, but the food just tastes weird. What do you think?
I like the lobster logo.
The lobster logo. Oh, I think that. Yeah. What the fuck? What do you think about Swang Tang?
I think that they gave me meat.
Yeah. I think.
I'm not gonna lie.
I think they also gave you meat, but we all tried it, so they won. It's still cold. Vietnamese food. Okay.